Alright, so last Tuesday night I was sitting in my room in Dinajpur, frustrated out of my mind. I did spend an entire day writing what I thought was an amazing blog post for an Ahrefs site. And then I checked the keyword difficulty. 78 out of 100, which basically means I just wasted 6 hours writing content that never ranked. And I remember thinking there has to be a faster way to find keywords can I actually compute for without needing a massive site or huge budget. So I challenged myself, could I find 50 genuinely low competition keywords in just an hour? Using only free tools? I found 52, and by the end of this video you will know the exact process I used. No flop, no paid tools, just a repeatable system you can use throughout. I am Bisho, and you are new here. I run Maximum Marketing and I share real tested stories for affiliate marketing and SEO. Not theory, not guru secrets, just what actually works in 2026. Let's get into it. Now, before we jump in, I need to be honest about something. Finding new competition keywords is not a magic solution that will make you rich overnight. I learned that the hard way back in 2023 when I launched this project called World Winner CP. I thought it was just found easy keywords, the money would roll in. It don't, because here's what I learned. Low competition big keywords are valuable, but only if they are part of a real strategy. You will still need decent content, you will still need to understand source intent, and you still need persistence. But here's the good news. If you are willing to put in constant work, low competition keywords are your fastest path to getting actual organic traffic without competing against sites like Healthline or Ahrefs. So that's what we are doing today. Finding keywords where you actually have a chance to rank in 2026. If you are just starting out, let me point a picture for you. When I first started learning SEO back in 2022, I'd open up keyword tools and see those numbers like weight loss tips, getting 90,000 searches per month. I did not think perfect. I just write about that. Then I did publish the post and crickets, zero traffic. Because what I did not understand is that search volume means nothing if you can't rank. And you can't rank if you are a competing against site with millions of backlinks and decades-old domain authority. Here's the reality in 2026. Most beginner not bloggers, affiliate marketers are fighting for the same overcooked keywords. They're using the same tools, getting the same suggestion, and then wondering why nobody's reading their content. That there are not enough keywords. There are billions of search queries happening every day. The problem is most people don't know how to find the keywords they can actually win for, and that's exactly what changed for me when I stopped looking for popular keywords and started hunting for strategic gaps. So here's what everything clicked for me. I was in my second year at National University studying economics, and I was reading about competitive advantage theory, basically how businesses succeed by finding areas where they are strong and competitors are weak. And I thought, why don't we apply this to keyword research? Instead of competing head-on with massive sites, what we have found the questions they are not answering, the topic they are ignoring because they are too specific, too small, right? That's when I developed what I call the hour spin method. It's basically a systematic way to extract dozens of low competition keywords in a short time window by focusing on patterns, not individual searches. And the best part, it uses completely free tools that you probably already have to access to. Now, I am not saying to investigate keywords research, obviously not, but this specific process, this is what I use to go from getting 12 visitors a month on an early access site to constantly finding keywords that actually rank. Let me show you exactly how it works. Alright, step 1. Choose your seed keywords strategically. Most people mess this up right at the start. They pick something too broad like affiliate marketing or too narrow like blue running shoes size 10 for men with flat feet. You want something in the middle, basic enough to have no intent, bold enough to have variations. Here's my framework. Your seed keyword should be 2 to 4 words long and represent a subtopic within your niche, not the entire niche itself. For example, if your niche is home fitness, don't use home fitness as your seed. Instead of use distance band workouts, small space expense, maybe weights training. If your niche is affiliate marketing, use seeds like affiliate program selection, content monetization, product review studies. See the difference? You are delivering down the own level. For my challenge last Tuesday, I was working an affiliate site in the personal finance space. My seed keyword was budget planning tools, not budgeting to board, not budget spreadsheet templates for college student in 2026. Too narrow, right? Right in the sweet spot. Once you have 3 to 5 solid seed keywords, you are ready. Step 2. Step 2 is where the most people waste time, but we are going to speed this up. Open Google in and ignore the window. This is the important because we want unbiased suggestion, not results influenced by your search history. Now type your seed keyword, but don't press enter. Just watch the Google suggestion. For the budget planning tools, Google instantly showed me budget planning tools free, budget planning tools for families, budget planning tools for small businesses, budget planning tools app. Those are real searches people are trying to right now. Write them all down, but here's the hack. Add on letter add a time at the end. Type budget planning tools for A, you will get a different suggestion. Budget planning tools B gives you more. Go to throw the entire alphabet. Sound tenders, it's 8. But here's the thing. I used a free tool called Answer the Public that does the automatically. Just enter your seed keyword, it will show you your hundreds of questions based on alphabetical variations in seconds. In about 7 minutes, I hit 43 keywords variations just from the own seed keywords. Now comes the filtering part. With step 3, this is where most gurus will tell you to buy a SERP or SEMrush. And look, those tools are great if you can afford them, but you don't need them to start. Here's the free method I still use. Manual SERP analysis. Take each keyword variation and actually Google it, look at the top 10 results and ask yourself those 4 questions. Question 1. Are there forum posts or Reddit threads in the top 10? If yes, that's a weak SERP. You can compute. Question 2. Are the top results from massive authority sites like Forbes, Headline or Wikipedia? If yes, skip it. Move it. Question 3. Are the articles then for outdated? If the most results are from 2022 or earlier, they are only 500 word posts. You can rate them with better updated content. Question 4. Do the title match the search intent? Sometimes you will find article ranking that don't actually answer the question properly. That's your opening. Let me give you the real example. I searched budget planning tools for irregular income, which come from my Answer the Public list. The top results were a Reddit thread from 2003, a blog post from 2021 with 600 words listicle that barely monitored irregular income. That's what I call a golden gap keywords. Low competition, clear intent, and I know can I create something 10x better. I mark that a yes and I move the next on. Using this method, I filtered through all the 43 variations in about 25 minutes. I marked 19 as defined opportunities, but I was not done yet. Here's the store 4, and that is where you hit the jackpot. Go back to Google and search all of your approved low competition keywords. Scroll down the people also ask section. This is the pure gold, and there is a real question from real users Google has identified as related to your topic, and because they are questioned. That's open, have loyal competition, then standard keywords. When I searched budget planning tools for the irregular income, the PAA box showed me how do freelancers manage monthly budgets. What's the best way to budget with unpredictable income? Can we use zero-based budgeting with variable income? I opened this question which targeted Google to load more questions. This is the called PAA stacking. In 10 minutes, I started 21 additional question-based keywords. All of them low competition based with a specific long tail and often ignored by bigger sites. Combined with my earlier 19 keywords, I now had 40 solid opportunities and I still had 18 minutes left in my hour. Final step, still from my computer's weaknesses, here's what I made. Find a smaller computer site, not a giant like NerdWallet, but someone who's ranking for a few keywords in your niche but is not dominating. Go to the Google and search site.theirwebsite.com. Also, you can your topic, for example, site.smallpersonalfinanceblog.com budget. That shows you every page on their site related to budgeting. Scan through them and look for topics they have covered poorly. Then content, no depth, outdated information. Then look for topics they have not covered at all. They should have based on their niche. I found the commenter who had written about budgeting apps but completely ignored budgeting for side hustle or budgeting during income gaps. Those become keywords 41, third 52 on my list. Total time spent 58 minutes. Total keywords found 52 low competition opportunities. So let's recap for our speed method. Step 1. Choose 3 to 5 strategic seed keywords, 2 to 4 words, subtopic focused. Step 2. Main Google Autocomplete and Answer the Public for variation. Step 3. Manually check SERP difficulty using the 4 question framework. Step 4. Extract keyword from people also ask boxes. Step 5. Find computer content gaps. That is not magic. It's not a hack. It's just a systematic process that works in 2026. because most people are still chasing the same highest conversion keywords. Now, here's the thing I wish someone had told me back in 2021 when I was just studying. Finding keywords is only half of the battle. You still need to create content that actually answers the search intent better than what's already ranking. But if you do this method consistently, maybe once a week you build a breaking a winnable keywords that can actually drive the traffic to your site. And honestly, that's how the real sustainable website income gets bullets. Not through viral tricks, through showing up, doing the work, and being strategic about what you complete. If this was helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button so it knows to show this to more people. Subscribe to win more honest stories like this, and drop a comment. What niches are you keyword researching for right now? I read every single on. I am CP Bisho, and I will see in the next on video. Keep building, keep researching.